morning, Manila, Philippines. It is now 12 in the afternoon, and we hope you're having a good day.
Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome to our vlog! And here with me is my father, none other than Architect Mike Peña.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our new vlog.
Paano ganito, Tri?
Vlog, di ba?
Okay. Anyway, sorry, naka-shades kami. Hindi kami pa-cool. Medyo maaraw lang. Kaya nakakasilo, kaya naka-shades lang, di ba?
Wala nga ako sunblock eh. Pero okay lang. Game.
Game.
Sanay na tayo sa golf.
Anyway, so guys, sorry, sobrang natagalan kami sa pag-release ng new video because, of course, matagal gumawa ng bahay, di ba, Daddy?
Yan, tinapos muna namin to. Opus Magnus.
So what is Opus Magnus?
This is my maestro masterpiece.
So ano yung maestro masterpiece, Daddy? Explain further.
Well, alam mo, si Leonardo da Vinci, meron siyang Mona Lisa, si Michelangelo may Pieta, of course, si architect Mike Peña, meron Casa Elena.
Wow!
Yan ang masterpiece
Ang
ko.
galing naman nun. Parang pinractice
Di ba? Uy, impromptu yan
So before we enter the house, as an architect, ikaw naman explain ng exterior.
Of course, itong landscaping nitong house na to, ako lang gumawa ito because my hobby and my love is bonsai garden. So as you can see, di ba? Wala namang ibang elements to kundi green grass, stones, and all my award-winning bonsai pieces. Ayan, tignan nyo.
Wow! Award-winning! Anong favorite mo dyan?
Bonsai.
Podocarpus.
Yan, favorite mo, di ba?
Favorite ko yung Podocarpus. Tsaka bougainvillea.
Yan. Gusto ko kasi clean garden. The house kasi has very clean lines. So ayoko ng cluttered. It's very hard to maintain ng landscape na maraming, plants
Elements.
and brush and bushes na pag lumaki na sila, ang hirap na i-maintain. But of course, pag bonsai garden to, lifetime, ito yung itsura niyan. Hindi na magbabago yan.
Actually, Daddy, di ba, as an architect, it's important also to plan your layout kung saan yung sun, direction niya.
Importante yung orientation, solar orientation of the house. So like this house, this side is facing west. Okay? So nakita natin, mayroon tayong mga sun baffles because pagdating ng hapon, mga 3 o'clock, sobrang init sa loob. And we have to provide these sun baffles para hindi pumasok masyado yung init sa loob.
And also, one beauty of this house actually for me is the mahaba yung motor court niya. So nakita mo talaga yung grandness. So every time papasok yung mga tao, sasabihin nila ay, wow, Macau.
That's right. These are koi pond. Of course, lahat naman ng bahay natin meron tayong koi because we love koi, di ba? We like the
I
colors.
love koi.
Isang purpose niya, dahil nga nasa tropical country tayo, meron tayong mga ponds, water features sa house. And pag nag-dissipate yan, merong cooling effect din yung bahay.
Hindi ko alam
Nagalagay
yun
ako ng mga koi, swimming pool, everything all around, especially pag itong tropical country. Hi guys! Welcome to Casa Elena!
Anyway, before pala going inside, let me explain the main door of this house. Pakita natin yung pagkatangkad niya.
Steel, yeah.
This is 3.5 meters?
By 1.5.
By 1.5. Tapos sobrang bigat ito kasi this is a steel door, basically. Pero ginawa siyang brass finish, pa-rustic na look.
Shout out to Jude Chutico.
From Industria. And so the first thing that you will see as you enter this house is very open air and of course the high ceiling.
Yeah.
Ang ganda nitong open layout na to. Ito talaga yung nagpapabongga for me.
Yeah,
The architectural design because again, yung view, yun yung highlight nitong bahay na to. Maximize the view.
Actually, you can achieve this kind of open layout pag hindi ganyan yung view mo.
Oo nga,
diba?
sa bagay. Katabi mo ano?
Katabi mo.
Sampayan.
Sampayan.
Oo, diba?
And of course, we have this beautiful artwork here. Also this beautiful sculpture Benhar Villanueva from
Baguio.
Baguio.
Yeah.
This is a life-size igro. Kaya ako binili si Benhar kasi nakita ko yung mga theme ng mga works niya is the hardworking Filipino. So, ganyan din tayo. Naging resilient tayo. O, kami rin ganyan sa family. We're helping one another.
Yan.
Para-
Ako to nagbubuhat ng bato.
Yun.
Ikaw ba yun?
Eh, nakasabit ka lang dun eh.
Ay, syempre. Ikaw talaga. Yun
Yun.
talaga. Ako,
Diba?
pa lang.
Yan.
Yan. Agree ka naman.
Of course.
Agree ka naman.
I can hear it. I can see it. I can hear it.
So, here on your left naman is our living room. Highlight natin, Patagonia natin by Arash.
A rush from
Hi-
Global.
Home, Antolini.
Antolini.
So, actually, layman's term, kung i-explain ko to sa mga clients, is kung may mga bag tayo ng brands na Hermes, ang mga bato naman, may mga brand siya at yun ay Antolini. So, yun yung pinaka high-end.
Best of the best.
Best of the best. And of course, you can get your Antolini from Global Home. Sorry, add ko lang din ha. Translucent rin pala tong stone na to. So basically, you can see the natural crystallized stone because of the light na nilagay natin sa likod. The sofa here that we used and lounge chair is from none other than Fernitalia. So shout out to Florence. Hi, Florence. So again,
Ninang.
Hi, Ninang. Hi, Ninang. So, yung colors na ginamit natin dito, which is yung mga blue tones. And again, it's a daring color, but at the same time, it blended well with the house, even if it's a light color, because the use of the paintings na ginamit natin to blend well with the lounge chair. And of course, our tiles is from
Metro Tiles.
So, ginamit namin same color nung tiles from the interior to the outdoor to the pool. Para iisa lang talaga yung look niya at color niya.
Tsaka one level lang siya from interior to exterior. Pantay hanggang sa water ng pool.
Here is your dining area.
This wood is from Bali, Indonesia.
Yeah.
It's called swar, they call it. But it's
Swar.
20 feet wood. Very rare.
Ano bang pwede natin gawin sa mga high ceiling? Yun yung mga tanong ng mga clients, di ba? In this house naman, what we did here is we did a very floor to ceiling na open shelves. At the same time, nilagay natin dyan yung Suiseki
Suiseki
stone.
collection.
I can hear it. I can see it. I can hear it.
Of course, this door is a very beautiful door by Glassbox.
Glassbox.
Hi, Jason.
Yan, yan, no?
Oo.
So, ano siya, naka-pocket siya, no?
Pocket door siya.
Pocket door, nakapasok.
At the same time, ang pocket door, ano ba advantage of pocket door? Of course, pocket door advantage is 100% open yung bahay. So basically, if sliding door at di siya pocket, makikita nyo, meron naka-fix dito.
Maganda rin dito, na-achieve natin yung pantay yung interior tsaka sa exterior dahil yung truck niya, yung truck system niya nasa ilalim. Meron siyang floor drain dito.
Yes.
Kaya kahit umulan na malakas, yung tubig, hindi papasok sa loob.
Yes,
Yung kahit
kasi-
na pantay. Oo.
Oo, tama. Usually kasi problema ng mga babaeng naka-heeled sa mga parties, natatapilok sa mga
Yun,
railings.
Mabibigla ka dahil biglang pagsak.
Oo,
Saka hindi
tama.
handicap friendly.
Tama.
Kasi yung ano mo, wheelchair mo, biglang blug,
Oo. Sa pa nga.
blug.
Yan.
I can hear it. I can see it. I can hear it. I can see it.
Going to enter now the whiskey,
Whiskey room.
But before that, I want to highlight itong interior glass doors naman natin. Now, this is from, of course, JB Glass
Yan.
with brass finish.
Height is 3.5 meters.
So, ang beauty ng mga interior doors na ganito is wala silang railing sa flooring nila.
So itong room na to, ginawa namin siyang corner room so it can open na 90 degrees full. Yan. It's a 67 Datsun Roadster 2000cc. Yan. Very rare. Oo.
Ang ganda, no? At the same time, dati, di ba, parang pwede mong iba-ibahin tong car mo.
Palit-palitan natin, para nakakasawa. Malaki kasi yung air dito. Medyo wala kayong pambili ng mga sofa.
Wala na, eh,
Kotse
no?
na lang.
Kotse na lang.
Yan.
Oo. And going back to the interior of the room, of course, we shows this red stone. And of course, etong stone na to,
Got it
sobrang
from
hirap nang
India.
nangyari sa amin dyan. Pumunta kami ng India at kumuha kami ng batong yan. Very daring yung stone na to. Kaya hinaluan na lang namin ng solid colors yung katabi niya. At the same time, of course, we have this Zanota lounge chairs. Hi,
Hi
Marl.
to Marl. Thank
And Jensen. And of course, Ed Sango.
you. Yan.
So guys, if you want the beautiful furniture, just go to Kuisen.
Friend Mike Cacnio.
Shout out naman!
Yes, and this is one of his early works sa Lambao.
Ganda, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, bawal ka magalit dito.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi mo malaman nagdadabog ka.
Soft close.
Yes, at the same time, maganda pa rin kasi nakikita pa rin yung beauty nga. And again, this is a beautiful mistake. Bakit?
Oh.
Kasi dapat,
Dapat pocket wall to.
yun, ano nangyari?
Kaya lang, wala ng oras.
Ayun. So,
Okay
again,
na lang. Pero-
beautiful disaster. Welcome to the kitchen. So the kitchen is also from Polyform. So basically, what we use here is champagne finish. What we use here as a countertop is stainless, and here is also our natural stone. The only problem here is porous to. So basically, bawal tayo maglagay ng mga toyo, ketchup. Ayan. So,
Okay lang.
Annalyn, pag nanonood ka nito, huwag mo nalagyan ng ketchup, ha? Joke lang. So anyway, we also have here downdraft. So basically, tingnan natin ang feature downdraft
Yeah.
because
mataas masyado yung ceiling, hindi tayo makapaglagay ng range hood na from the top. Dahil sobrang taas, hindi maging effective.
Exactly.
So pag ganyan ang situation, we need this kind of downdraft exhaust fan.
yes. And at the same time, ang beauty naman ng kitchen location natin is tabi ng bintana.
Yun.
And now open natin to ng 100% like the one in the living room. Gusto ko lang i-highlight tong wall na to. So basically, this is a natural stone, Antolini yung stone again. And tawag nila dito is Gucci stone. So bakit Gucci stone? Kasi ito yung ginamit na stone sa lahat ng mga Gucci store sa buong mundo. And if you would look closer, and sana mahawakan nyo guys, no? Pero hindi ko mahawakan eh. So ako na mag-explain, leather finish siya. So ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Well, basically, it's smooth. At the same time, meron pa rin siyang texture ng stone. What we use here is floating shelves from Polyform na ginamit ng brass. And of course, the collection of my mom, mga tea sets, di ba? Siyempre, ako yung nag-ayos niyan. Maganda ba? Like and subscribe kung maganda. Charot. So this is the stairs.
Main stairs.
The main stairs.
Parang floating ang thing, di ba?
Floating.
Floating stone. Kaya na ang mapapansin mo, yung railing natin, frameless glass lang. Wala siyang mga balusters. Kasi from the outside, makikita mo na yung bato eh. Wala siyang floating. And of course, under the stairs, ginawa natin parang meron na tayong scene dito. Na bonsai also. Again, our love for bonsai and our love for Suseki. Suseki are the stones. And shout out to Vimar for this automation switches. Thank you for Jinso, the Asia Pacific Director of Vimar. And of course to Hans Stan.
And we're here now in the powder room. So ito yung mga usually inaabangan ng mga tao because the powder room is usually the most iconic. Also here, ginamit natin Udaipur green. And this is also from India. Binuhat rin namin to from India.
Uncarry yan, ha?
This is the hallway.
Yeah.
So parang actually mukha siyang bridge, no?
Yun ang effect niya. Kasi yung room namin ni Carla, meron akong south wing, meron akong north wing. Of course, picture window. So you can see the whole Tipolo areas, Eastwood, Pasig areas. Then of course, ito yung dinesign mong shelves.
From floor to ceiling
From floor
again.
to ceiling, yan. So lahat yan is part of the collection of Suseki stones pa rin. And of course, the pottery from...
So now we're going to my room. But before that, let's explain naman itong mga doors natin. So basically, this is glass doors. So this is from JD
India.
Glass.
Shout out to Anuj.
Anuj.
And
Gurab. So you can choose different colors din, di ba? Pwede ring veneer, pwede ring...
Yeah.
Tsaka at the same time, yung maganda
Pero
dyan
maganda
is
dito
flush siya.
naka-flush. Ayan, oh. Mapapansin natin, is pantay siya dun sa finish ng laminates natin.
Yan. So guys, yung mga termination, important din yun. Para magmukhang high-end looking yung
Of course,
mga finishing is termination.
Number one.
So hi guys, welcome to my room. So actually, I really love the layout of my room. Kasi may hallway tayo bago tayo pumasok sa bedroom.
Yeah.
So basically, ang maganda doon sa mga bedroom na to is that meron ka ring privacy before you enter the room right away. So, maganda rin dito kasi yung mga shoes. So, etong shelves na to, ako kasi ayokong pinapasok yung shoes sa mga bedroom ko. So, I want everything, bago pumasok yung mga tao, yung shoes nila nandito.
By?
Polyform. And of course, I also, di ba sa mga hotel may mga ganito?
Yeah.
So, ang naging ref ng mga camera.
Okay.
Okay.
And trophy room.
Oh, by the
Ito
way,
naman, Yan yung mga trophy na
Juanes.
yan.
Proud yung tatay ko sa akin eh.
Yan.
Oh,
Handicap for?
40.
40 pala kayo.
40.
Okay.
Okay. So, dito naman sa mga walls, ginamitan ko to ng laminates and the fluted wood. So, I wanted to combine this kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng break yung pagka-laminates na floor to ceiling. And of course, di ba, hindi nakaka-umay na puro laminates lang yung walls. And also on the right, ginawa ko para siyang gallery style. So at the same time, itong spotlight natin, isa-isa, nilagyan natin itong mga ilaw natin para mas mapakita yung beauty itong artist na to, which is si Petty John from Silver Lens. Shout out to Isa Lorenzo.
Of course, your lights mo is from?
Lightitude! Thank you, Steven! Okay. So, ano ba ang aking style motive dito sa kwarto na ito? Actually, na-inspire ako dito sa Sahara Desert, yung colors. So, basically here, on this wall, ginamitan ko ng travertine yan. O, diba?
Textured to, the
Textured.
travertine. Natural travertine.
Ang ganda, no?
Ganda.
So basically here sa headboard na to, ginamitan ko na siya ng wallpaper na parang leather finish. Of course, my bed, I got it from Fornitalia, 'di ba? Poltrona Frau. You'll never go wrong kay Poltrona Frau, 'di ba?
Tama, tama.
Classic and timeless. So dito naman yung TV cabinet natin sa right is from
Space
2000.
2000. Galing din, ha?
ang galing ng Space
Oo,
2000.
galing.
Kasi napahamak ako sa Space 2000.
Bakit naman?
Sobrang bilis ng delivery nila at the same time the quality. So hindi ko rin akalain, I really thought na Italian sila. May balcony. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo itong Talisay tree.
Talisay, variegated talisay yan.
Yan. Sobrang
Dinidilig
ganda.
mo ba? Hindi.
Nakalimutan ko nga eh.
Patay kang bata.
So guys, this is the favorite part of my room. Siyempre, ito ang banyo. Diba? Basically, yung jacuzzi, ginawa ko na corner siya. Kasi I wanted to highlight itong corner window ni Glassbox. Yan. So for this bathroom, I wanted to maximize the view. So even the jacuzzi, of course, in order for us to maximize the view, mawala yung privacy, di ba? So, paano ba yun? Paano mangyayari dun? And of course, ang ating solusyon dyan, si Glassbox. So, sa Glassbox, meron siyang smart glass. Basically, if I want privacy, isang pindot lang, then you have privacy. O, di ba? And kung gusto ko makita ng view, just one click away and you'll see the view. So, that's something na feature na pwedeng yung gamitin sa mga may view at banyo yung areas nyo. Cladding here is stone look na finish. And of course, what we use here is Jessie. This is also from Polyforms. Oh, di ba? Actually, yung beauty nito ni Polyform, as in, yung detailed, ito, sobrang favorite ko tong glass niya. Na nagre-reflect yung strip lights pa rin dito. to the
master's bedroom. My
Wow.
bedroom.
Oh, your bedroom.
Yeah, dad's
Is this
room.
your favorite bedroom?
Of course.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
See? Yung colors ito kasi, I want something na parang medyo manly. So we chose these darker shades. And of course, the backdrop of the bed is the same color with my bed, the leather finish. And then we incorporated all the stones at the side. And then of course, this feature here, it's a mirror.
Mirror, yes.
Yeah, it's a combination of black mirror
Yes, and normal mirror.
Normal mirror. But you can see here, this is flush. Oh, di ba?
Shout out sa cameraman namin, kay Jairus. Yan.
This is my quiet time area. This is where I read my Bible in the morning. So you can see during night time, ganda ng city lights. See, this is my office, study room. Chill area. Yan, this is where I watch TV. Ayan.
Chill. Dapat gumagamit kayo ng new words sa mga tao.
Ano?
Slay.
Slay?
Sabi mo, slay.
Slay. When I was in college, this is my sideline. I used to do sketches for people. So I can, pay my way to college.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes.
Di nga.
Oo. Nakabayad dyan. Yeah.
Ba't di mo ko dito drawing?
Meron. Pinanish kita.
Stand in the corner.
Oh, yun. Di ba? This is my walk-in closet.
And
This is
bathroom.
for dad's walk-in closet.
Naka-smoked siya na tint na gradient. Para may natural lighting pa rin sa taas, pero at the same time, yung privacy.
Yeah, sa taas clear na siya, di ba? Ang ganda. Thanks to Glassbox.
Glass box, hi Jason.
And,
And of course, polyform.
all the cabinets here are from Polyform.
So guys, we are now here in the mom's walk-in closet.
Mom's walk-in closet.
So basically, this is a polyform. Want to explain the ceiling, Daddy?
Yeah. Ito yung meron nung tayong ginawang natural light coming in. Ginawa natin ng parang clear story window sa taas. So during the daytime, yung natural light comes inside the room. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-open ng mga lights. And of course, yung aircon natin, lahat ng aircon is all ducted din para malinis. Diba? Clean look. We want to achieve the clean look.
Yes.
So makikita mo yung curved ceiling, in detail dito. Jai, ayun sa corner doon. Kita-kita mo nag-curve siya gano'n, di ba? Yan naman ang namin. Trademark yan namin sa mga design namin is we want to give the house a parang soft effect. Para siyang, kala mo, para siyang drapery na tela lang. Kasi masyadong massive, nakakalambot yung effect niya. Yan.
Curves naman.
Curves naman.
Softens.
That's right.
So basically, here, yung peg kasi ng mom ko is more of the Danish look. So she wanted something na light colors. Actually white, mahilig siya sa white. And also, ginamit natin here yung flooring, pinatuloy-tuloy na lang natin from the hallway. Para when the doors are open, tuloy-tuloy siyang...
Tsaka masarap sa palakaran to kasi yung floor na wood.
Tama.
Kasi hindi siya malamig. So, tapos ito, there's a balcony here for moms.
Again, with a gradient smoke tint.
Yeah. And then, of course, meron siyang sunlouvers from Glassbox also, which you can also open like that.
Yes.
So, ang kanyang kasi is the garden.
Sa
Facing the
harap.
bonsai garden.
Welcome to the man cave.
Okay. Lalo kasi yung vintage and modern, but love na love ko yung vintage and classic cars.
Nice.
Diba?
Ang ganda ng strip lights natin from Smart Age.
Smart Age, thank you.
Thank
Even
you. The lighting.
Spotlights, the lighting.
The flooring natin is also natural stone.
Natural stone from
So this is
India
natural
again.
granite. Yes, and of course, it adds reflection. And if you will see and notice the reflection of the cars because of the polished flooring. At the same time, maintenance-wise, it's
That's
easier.
why it's,
Now, we'll go to the man cave.
yeah, this is my office, man cave.
Ganda ba? Ang maganda dito sa man cave na to is naka-corner window glass siya. So, uma-open nila.
Full view ng cars.
Full. So, also here would be
Ang collection ko lang ng mga toys ko before.
Cute.
Some of them, hindi ko nakasya lahat eh. But,
And by
then,
the way, this
yeah,
stone is natural stone. So this is talagang,
talaga solid.
anong
It's
thickness
about
yan?
Mga 4 to 5 inches
Grabe.
thick. Bigat.
Bigat yan. No?
Yung
Kasya ka ba dyan?
Monkey, Honda Monkey car, bike, 75th anniversary. Very rare. Yeah.
Wow, beautiful.
This were just hang out with friends, talk, mga car guys.
Oo.
And while hanging out, meron tayong ref dyan for refreshments. And of course, just looking at the cars, busog ka na.
Yo.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And now we're going up to the roof deck. Shout out to our stainless contractor,
Welcome to our roof deck.
Mitch Santiago. Hanep.
Yan. And of course, from Modern Brands, this all-weather dining set.
Welcome, welcome.
The advantage of getting the highest point in the property, no?
Tama.
Village.
Yes.
Wala kang kapitbahay.
Yes. Yes.
Ganda, ganda. So from here, kita mo rin yung view ng garden. From here, ganda.
This is the tree from my room, from the balcony room.
Yan.
So basically, syempre, kailangan ng tagusan ng puno. Buluksan natin to.
Yan.
At the same time, the curved glass. Thanks.
Thanks to Daryl of DAC.
Yan.
Yan.
Ito namang roof deck natin na furniture is from Talenti. Of
From-
course, our good friend Marl from Kuisen
Jensen.
Furniture.
And of
Diba?
course, Jensen Go.
Yes.
Thank you, Marlon Jensen.
Thank you, Marl
Perfect,
Jensen and
perfect
Edson.
for our roof deck.
Yes. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed our vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay. So see you again in our next vlog. See you soon.
Thank you guys. Bye.
I can hear it.